Hello everyone, welcome to our USD 49 People First Language training. People First Language, a way of communicating that puts the person first and foremost ahead of their disability. This reflects respect and knowledge while putting an emphasis on the individual instead of the disability. It comes down to simply doing the right thing and using the golden rule, treating people the way you want to be treated. Why People First Language matters. Not all disabilities are visible. You can't always see what people are going through. Over 60 million Americans have some form of a disability. That equals to around 1 in 5. This makes people with disabilities the largest minority group in America. For many years, people with disabilities have been subjected to prejudice, societal limitations, low expectations, devaluation, and hurtful language. Much of the time, these societal discriminations are unintentional. The power of words has an immeasurable impact on the world and the people in it. Hurtful language. Reflect. At your table, spend about 3 minutes discussing language that we have used in the past that is hurtful and no longer socially acceptable. Okay, now that we've discussed who came up with some of these, we have to get rid of the R word. It can no longer be accepted in our society or used in our schools. Handicap terms, talking about bathroom stalls, parking, crippled, dwarf, damaged, suffered or victim, crazy, psycho, slow or moronic, special needs, idiot, or imbecile. These are terms that a lot of them are based off old previous medical diagnosis that are no longer acceptable in our schools or society. Don't refer to people as their disability by using is phrases, saying he is or she is or she's or he's. Say someone suffers from or afflicted with. Do not to people without disabilities as normal. Do not refer to people without disabilities as normal. And don't touch or pat a service animal without permission. Manners. If you accidentally offend a person with a disability, merely apologize. Remember that a disability is simply a descriptor and does not define an individual. Always ask if someone wants help before you jump right in. People First Language. Think. At your table, spend about 3 minutes discussing language that is inclusive, kind, and puts people first. Did your table come up with some of these terms? Cognitive disability. Accessible, talking about parking and restrooms. Physical disability. Developmental delay. A person of short stature. Brain injury. Mental health condition. Communicates with or learning disability. And this is just a small list of several of the terms that we would rather use than some of those discriminatory terms. Rules to follow. Use verbiage that emphasizes the person over their disability. Use words like has, with, uses, and receives. Say people without disabilities instead of saying they're normal. Proper etiquette. Emphasizes abilities, not limitations. If you're unsure about how to describe someone with a disability, ask them. Preferences can vary. People with disabilities are people first, and their disabilities does not impede their opportunity for success. There is no greater disability in our society than the inability to see a person as more. From Robert Hensel. Thank you for spending time with us today in this USD 489 training.